So it is 10:45 on a Saturday morning and I am about a block away from Livestock, just over there. There's only like 6 people lined up, and considering the sneaker that's releasing today, I'm honestly really surprised. I put my chair out there 3 hours ago and I've just been chilling and waiting until the store opens up. We got 15 minutes to kill and I think I'm definitely guaranteed a pair. Maybe not my size, I don't know exactly how many they have, but I'm definitely guaranteed a pair. This is why I freaking love Saturday mornings. Saturday mornings are the best part of the week. You get to buy a new pair of kicks. It feels like Christmas, and then you check your bank statement and it feels like the day after Christmas. Guys, as always, thank you so much for tuning in though. I really appreciate every single one of you. All you people that watch every single day, and all you people that are brand new. If you are brand new and haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, just like you see right here at Tom Stefanik. I'm posting lots of cool content over there on a daily basis. That being said, I think the store is going to open up really soon, so let's head over there. Wow, that was really easy to buy them. I'm not going to forget my chair that I put here this time. I've lost like 3 lawn chairs just by leaving them here. Not gonna lose this one. Super easy pickup. They had like 28 pairs and there's like 6 or 7 people lined up. A few people came in after the store opened, but they're definitely still gonna be sitting there for the majority of the day, if not the entire day. I said it last time when we were in Hong Kong and picked up the Afro Pack NMDs, but I think the hype on this model is definitely dead unless they do some crazy complex conversion or just some super limited type of colorway. It's a lot nicer than it was yesterday, I'm gonna be honest, except it is still freaking freezing outside. So let's get back into my apartment and I'll give you guys a better look at this pair of kicks. Yo, I got the Human Races.
Oh, you did?
I did. They're actually pretty nice.
Do you even wear NMDs?
I don't.
I like them. It's not a color combination you see very often. We'll go with what I'm wearing.
It actually would.
And
you can buy them off me if you want, 500 bucks. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe Adidas has just lost the mark in terms of hype, or maybe people have as many pairs of Human Races as they want. I'd say that is the one hindrance that Adidas has, is they've never been able to create more than 3 popular models at a time. Nike has the power of collaborating on classic models to make them popular, releasing new models like the Element 87s, not to mention they have like 20 Jordans that are gonna sell out anytime they release them, where Adidas has like the Yeezys, they used to have the Ultra Boost, and they have these, and you get a little bit of saturation in the market. I think this is a dope pair of kicks though. I really do like these. It's loud. I will honestly probably end up selling these. I don't know, maybe I'll keep them. I'd like to keep them. I like how they look in hand, but realistically this isn't something that I would normally wear. I mean, they look really good on feet, as you guys can see. I think they look great. I really like the color blocking on them, and I really like the way they look overall, but just, I don't need these. I don't need these. I wanted to pick them up to show you guys, to check them out in hand, but this is nothing that I was like super excited to get. This isn't anything that I was waiting months to get, like the Celtics Pine Green Jordan 1s or the Court Purple Jordan 1s or the brown and purple mauve Yeezy 700s that are coming out next weekend. Like, those are all things that I've been excited about for a long time and 100% are staying in the collection. These ones, honestly, bit of a coin flip of whether or not I keep them. As you guys can see, and as you guys probably know, it says heart and mind, or mind and heart. And I don't really know what the theme is behind all these random words that they have on them. They just sound very like Instagram philosophy, just trying to sound deep when they're not really saying anything at all, but it's cool. I dig the aesthetic of it, heart and mind. It looks very cool on feet. I think the white laces are probably the way to go on these. They have the yellow laces as well, obviously, as you can see, but I think the white laces are the look on these. I think. I might try and fiddle around a little bit. You know what? Some like navy laces could look good on these. I don't have navy rope laces, so like Rope Lace Supply, hit me up, send them out to your boy, because I would definitely try them out on these. I think they could look really good. Prime knit feels a little bit different on these than it does on my other pair of the Afro Pack that I got back in Hong Kong in August. I'm not sure if it is different, but just off first impressions, it does feel a little bit different. Sick pair of shoes though, sick pair of shoes, stupidly expensive. Can we talk about the price? Do you know how much I paid for these after tax? Now this is Canadian dollars, keep in mind, but these were $384 after tax. $384 after tax. I could live in this apartment for a week for the cost of this one pair of shoes. Now I know Nike likes to tax on their shoes. I mean, $215 for a pair of Jordan 1s in Canada is expensive, $190 for a pair of retro Jordans in the States is expensive. But Adidas is going nuts with their prices on these sort of special limited releases. The Yeezy 700s are $300 in the States, $400 in Canada, and these were $384. Really, really expensive, and not something that I'd buy on a regular basis if I wasn't making videos about sneakers. In fact, not something I buy on a regular basis even if I am making videos about sneakers, which I am, which is why I don't buy things like this very often, because I just don't think they're worth it. I think they look nice. I think the price is a little bit too high. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. That being said, we do need to get going. How are you doing? Oh, sorry. Just to the airport. So I didn't really mention it today, but I hinted at it right at the end of yesterday's video if you guys watched to that part. We are going to Toronto. Christian's been chilling in Winnipeg for the past few days, and I thought I'd return the favor and head over to Toronto, check out some spots out there. So I'm gonna be there from today or tonight until Wednesday. I don't really know, what are we gonna be doing?
Petting my dog Misty. She misses you.
We're gonna be petting his dog. On top of that, we might go to a Raptors game. Obviously, we're gonna be checking out some spots downtown, some outlet malls. Just gonna be doing some fun stuff in the city that I am really excited for. Dude, I haven't been to Toronto in like a year. Last time I was there was for SneakerCon in October of 2017.
Damn.
Yeah.
Damn.
I'm assuming there's gonna be a whole bunch of new stuff. I'm excited.
I am too. There's a lot of new stuff I can show you.
Nice. The weirdest flight I have ever had. First, I've been on hundreds of flights. I've never had someone have a medical emergency on the flight. So that was sort of cool. I mean, not cool for the person, but I mean, I could check that one off the bucket list. Second off, my eye almost exploded on the plane. I don't know what it was, but there was like so much pressure in my eye and it was like really sharp pain and my eye wouldn't stop crying. I was scared I was gonna open it up and it was gonna be blind, but I mean, thankfully I can see. So we're good, but that was terrifying. Yeah, I can do that. Hi. How are you? I'm good.
Yo, what year is your car?